Good evening, everybody. My name is Edwige Mondesir. Today I'm going to be discussing about August 5th when I certified mailed the DA, certified mailed Kristi J, Peariso, the judge. I certified mailed another judge by the name of Anthony J. Sabo, and Jeff Chambliss, of course, and Edwige Mondesir, my father. I served 5 people a state motion document that will help Edwige on his behalf of being released on an OR and objecting to a supposed second opinion, because there's no such thing as about a second opinion. The fact that Edwige Mondesir Sr., my father, had gotten an evaluation, and it was proven on July 31st by the Dr. Mike Rodriguez that Edwige Mondesir has no medical history of mental health issues. Neither does he have a history of drug abuse. Then right there, they should have gave him his OR release, but they didn't. So the second opinion, this whole thing, is to stall and play time until my dad eventually gives out through the medical problem that they inflicted to him. Remember, people, it's been almost a year. It's been a total of 11 months. So I certified mailed that on the 5th. I'll be putting up this motion for you guys so you guys could read it little by little or whatever suits you. I submitted that motion on the 5th. And today it was delivered, meaning all parties are supposed to be delivered. DA Celeste Sanchez, it was delivered successfully to her office. Judge Kristi J, Peariso, it was delivered to her successfully. The other judge, Anthony J. Sabo, it was received to them and delivered to them on the same day. Jeff Chambliss, and guess what? My father, he was supposed to have his mail. They denied him from getting his mail today. So everybody is aware of that motion, and they had to present that shit on the behalf of my father. Whether they do or not, I'm already sending a mail to the 9th Circuit, letting them know what the fuck you're doing it's illegal and it's clearly obstruction of justice. I see it, and so does the whole world see it. The way that I explain it to the world, everyone else would see it. So I'm stating to you, Kristi J, Peariso, and everyone else, that I've served that copy to you, including my father, but you guys seem to have denied them. So it's showing that you're not trying to give him a fair procedural. So why are you keeping him in your jail in your own courthouse? The fact that we changed the venue and it has not been remanded back to the state court. What the fuck are you guys doing? What are you guys doing? So I say to you, I'm gonna get that mail, right? Because it's sent back to me. It's sent back to the sender. I'm gonna get that mail. And I'm going to go ahead and send you guys. No. I'm not going to send you guys. I'm going to go ahead and get that mail. And I'm going to send it back to my father. Because my father is now reporting it into the jail. I spoke to him earlier previously. Be putting that video up about this incident. So I told him what's been going on. So he's going to report that to the watch commander. And he's going to file a grievance.
Thank you for using Securus. You may start the conversation now.
Hey, babe. We haven't heard from you in a long while. What happened? Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm fine. I thought you guys were busy, that's why I didn't call.
What happened?
You thought we were busy.
I
No,
thought
it's
you guys
okay.
were busy.
I thought like something happened to you because we haven't heard from you. Okay.
I found out that the mail was delivered to the DA, Jeff Chambliss, today in the courthouse. Yet they refuse yours. The jail has refusing your mail. So I'm gonna email Jeff right now, letting him know I want your mail presented into the courthouse.
Because they denied your copy.
Yep. And I'm gonna let him know that I'm mailing and notifying the 9th Circuit.
Because they called the judge. Whoever's working with them in the jail.
The DA. The DA, the conflict defense attorneys, Jeff Chalmers, they all received their letters today. You too. But they didn't want to sign yours.
Yeah.
So they deny it. It's on the computer.
No, every time they fuck around, I'm putting them more in a trap.
Yeah.
They're denying you. You know why? They don't want you to have your evidence to present it in court when you go to court. That's why.
Yeah.
That's illegal to deny you to get your own letter. This is the same complaint we have in the past. They don't give you a letter. It's because they're denying you to get your letter.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. They don't want to take my letter.
Yep. They don't even let you receive your letter either. It's proven. We have receipts right here that they denied to sign it.
Mm-hmm.
Why?
I expect to receive a letter today, but the judge denied my letter. Is anybody I can talk to about it?
Yep. Talk to the watch commander.
Yep, we should call him too.
We should call him too.
Talk to the watch commander about it. And also I have not received my minute order.
Yep. Why is that? You don't find that fishy? Weird as fuck, if you ask me.
Yes, please.
Because I have it
Your court's
recorded
coming up. It's recorded. There's documents that they denied.
on August 8th. Around afternoon, around
Yep.
like almost afternoon, like 11 a.m. or 6 a.m.
Yeah, between that day.
Okay?
My mom's not black.
I think I'm like on top of shit.
Cinco.
Your booking number was on there and
Everything is
everything.
proper. No, there's no errors.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I just talked to them right now. I'll make it straight up to them.
Yeah, they're denying it. Why?
They can send that they can give me a kite, but they never give me a freaking kite.
Yeah,
Bullshitting.
there's bullshit.
Talk to the watch commander, because I'm not receiving my mail, and I'm
I'm
not
taking
getting
it
my
all.
minute order.
They cancel it when they're supposed to receive. You're supposed to receive it today, and they cancel it in their office. They didn't sign it. They didn't let you receive it. They know why, because it's your evidence, your document to help you represent your case. They're denying you to get access to it, so you don't have nothing to present in court. You get it?
Yeah.
Corrupt as fuck. Well, the jail personnel, which is the watch commander, is responsible for that. So you better file a complaint about that. You know what? Put in a kite today that they deny your letter. Your rights to receive your letter, your evidence to represent your case. Because the DA, Celeste Sanchez, got her copy. So did Joe Steinfeld and Wiskow, the CDA that is doing fraud in your cases. So did Jeff Chambliss got a copy as well.
Yep, Jeff Chambliss, everyone else got a copy of that
Everybody
motion.
signed except for you. Except for you, they denied you. Why? It went to all the same county, Ventura County, all of them. But they denied your access, Edwige. It says in the computer, they cancel your mail for you to receive, for you not to receive it. We can read. That's what it says.
That's why I'm gonna mail to the 9th Circuit what they're doing right now. Because this is obstruction of justice. This is recorded.
Yeah.
Once again.
So the more you guys do some illegal shit, the more you keep going deeper. Give it up already. You lost. The fact that it's in the 9th Circuit and they're investigating your ass, give it up. You lost. And I'm going to also email Jeff Chambliss as well about that motion, how I want it presented in my dad's next court hearing on the 14th. I want it presented. And if you don't present it, there you go. You just made the lawsuit even stronger for yourself. I'm waiting on the judge to give me a signed case number for the lawsuit against Jeff Chambliss. So go ahead, Jeff. I'm going to send you that email. And if you don't fucking provide that evidence in motion on my dad's court date on the 14th, you don't present that, guess what? You just made yourself even more of a liability of a lawsuit. That's deformation for one. And on two of that, that's obstruction of justice right there. Because that's a clear motive that you're obstructing justice. You're clearly not representing the client. So why are you in the client's case making decisions when he fired you, in February 28th? February 28th, 2025, he fired your ass off his case. Yeah, you keep coming back like if you're in his defense, making rulings, asking for a second opinion without my dad's consent, just going behind his back, doing what you want. No, sir, that's not how you do it here. And I'm showing you that's not how you do it with that fucking lawsuit. That's me showing you with this lawsuit, you can't fucking do that. So that's what I'm gonna do. You're gonna be served very soon, Jeff Chambliss. And whoever you got here, that's your minions watching right now, I hope they let you know that lawsuit's coming. It's already in the federal court, along with the exhibits submitted. So therefore, go ahead, try your silly shit on the 14th. Because I predicted the outcome on the 31st of what could happen. On the 24th of July 2025. That's why they're not moving anywhere. Why don't you guys think nothing ever happens in every court date? It's a continuance, and right now, it was a continuance again. There's a pattern. There's a pattern with these people, and they're not fully conscious, aware of their pattern, because I see right through them. So I'm stating this, people. Whatever they're doing is the same thing. It's the same pattern as Ashley Susan. Ashley Susan, right? I'm gonna explain the parallel between Ashley Susan and Mike. I don't know Mike. I can't assume, but his behavior, his actions are similar to Ashley and Susan, and I cannot feel like I could trust that man. So I'm gonna have every family member I know contact him until they get a full valid statement of what happened on September 18 and why this keeps continuing. That's about it. Ashley Susan. How I'm gonna do a parallel with Mike and Ashley Susan. Ashley Susan submitted her false declaration report of the evaluation, but she never met my mother or spoke with her. The only time she ever contacted my mother was on March 3rd in the morning around 10 a.m., 9 a.m. She calls asking if she would like to take a request evaluation with her, meaning my mother has the choice. Of course, my mom declined her offer and went with her own primary doctor.
Who's this?
Hi, this is Deanna with Ashley Psychology Center.
What is it regarding to? Excuse me?
Set up an appointment with Dr. Ashley.
I have a what?
Set up the doctor.
Says who? Who? Who gave me that appointment? I don't have an appointment with no Ashley. Is this Susan Ashley from the court?
Yes.
No, I don't. I don't have an appointment with her. If anything, they're doing fraud in our case. And she is writing false report to the court about my children's father, Edwige Mondesir. Another psychiatrist saw him, named Linda, and she said he's competent. But when it comes to Ashley, Susan, she's frauding the court. I am not going to go with you guys. I'm going to go with my own private psychiatrist, and I'm going to expose them for their fucked up lies. Let her know that.
Oh. Okay, one.
And what is your name, ma'am?
One moment.
Oh, now all of a sudden she can't give me her name, huh?
Deanna.
What is your name, hon?
Deanna.
Deanna, and Ashley sent you?
I was calling because I sent you paperwork over.
Where? When? When did they send my paperwork?
I sent you forms via email 10 minutes ago.
By who? Who gave you my information? Is it George David Hirsch?
Oh, one moment.
See how the lies they do?
Did she first say she was Ashley?
She said she's sending me an appointment through Ashley, the Ashley, Susan Ashley.
I don't know.
Yeah, we know who the hell she is.
And let them know you have every right to take evaluation elsewhere.
Yeah, I know. I told them that.
They gotta remember, these people work for the public.
They work for the public and they're doing fraud.
Therefore, if the public says they don't choose to work with them, they don't choose to work with them.
Nope.
Work with someone else.
See how evil they are? They want me to go with her so she can write her false report and submit it to the court. Bullshit.
Melissa?
Yes?
Okay. So, Olivia Hudnut is the one.
No, she's doing fraud in my case, ma'am. She's not letting me submit my evidence to shut this down. She's been reported already to the state bar. Now I'm gonna have to report this psychiatrist to the Better Business Bureau and the state bar because they're helping each other do fraud in our case. This all started when the kid brought a loaded gun on November 15, 16, 17 of 2023 to Moore Park High, trying to kill my children, ma'am. Now they're making it seem that we're all incompetent, me and the father. No, we're fully much aware of what's happening. We're not crazy, and we can prove it. That's why I was submitting my evidence last court hearing with her. She refused because she's working with that corrupted judge named George David Hirsch.
Everything is documented on YouTube.
Everything's documented on YouTube, and I have my evidence to present. Let Ashley, Susan know that we already reported her for her fraudulent report about my children's father. My children's father is competent. She's writing her false report about him that he's incompetent because she's helping them with their fraud. Let her know that, ma'am. You work for her? Let her know that. Okay?
If you wanted to talk to Dr. Ashley and do your evaluation now,
I'm not, ma'am. Don't force me. That's what I'm telling you guys. No one can force me.
Let her know that
no, we're not forcing you.
Yes, you are, because I'm telling you over and over again, I'm not doing it.
Excuse me, ma'am, she could take it elsewhere if she wants to. She doesn't have to be forced to take it with a doctor you guys are forcing onto her.
Hi, this is Dr. Ashley.
Yes?
Hello?
Yes?
Yeah, hi. Yeah, well, you are,
No, ma'am, you're writing false report about my children's father being incompetent. He's very much competent and aware of what's happening here. You are helping the court do fraud on us. It's not gonna happen, ma'am.
Stop, Marissa. Listen to me.
No, I'm not gonna listen to you. I refuse your services because I don't need your services, and I'm letting you know right now. Do not force me. I don't care what the stupid courthouse order because they're doing fraud and I can prove it.
Alright, I just want you to know I never met your father.
You're a liar, ma'am. You're a liar. And by the way, you're being recorded because you're a liar. I don't trust you guys. Keep lying because you're being recorded.
Ma'am, you can't force an evaluation on somebody that doesn't want to take it with you. She could take it elsewhere.
Exactly. Stop forcing me.
No.
And you're lying? You don't know my children's father? You're recorded, ma'am. And this is our evidence. See, she hung up.
Yeah.
Fraud. Exactly what I said.
Even though my mom went with her own primary doctor, on March 3rd, the same day she got into contact with Ashley and Susan, the same day my mom got her evaluation from her own primary doctor, then she emailed her letting her know about it. Then she submitted it into the court record public defender's office on March 17th, on my court date. Like, this is where it gets crazy. Even though she submitted it on March 17th, this is how they're sabotaging your own case. On March 17th, it was submitted. On the 21st, on April 8th, when John Taylor was following us all over the fucking courthouse, trying to convince my mother to go into an unrecorded room, courtroom 26, Judge Bailey, where the hearing's off calendar, the case is suspended. So what are you gonna do in a courtroom that has nothing on record? What are you doing? Oh. Nope. Sorry. But seriously, what are you gonna do? What are you gonna do in an unrecorded courtroom? That's shady. Anyways, by John Taylor on the 8th of April, he told my mother that Ashley Susan has submitted her declaration of evaluation for my mother on the 21st of March. It was submitted into the court.
That I'm fair. It does not say that I'm incompetent. And it's from Exodus Recovery.
Okay.
It's a mental evaluation.
It's the fact that nobody.
And it was
even-
submitted here with Olivia Hudnut, and it's stamped by her DA office, her public defender office, and it was received on March 17, 2025, Venturacounty public defender.
So
She has it.
That's true.
Mhm.
It was delivered to my office.
Okay.
And
Is
I
it in
expect
court
that she
though?
has it.
Is it in my file? Is it submitted? No, it's not.
Because
Exactly.
That's not a court. Yeah, you know that when you dropped it off at the office, that wasn't a court filing, but she does have it.
How can it not be a court filing when it's my evidence to show my competency?
It doesn't. So our office is. It's not separate.
Did you know by law I have the right to refuse that?
Refuse what?
The mental diverse application, because there's no crime committed in my home. They commit a crime in my home by assaulting us, coming in our home with no warrant, and their body cameras were off, and stealing all our evidence, thinking we don't have any evidence to back it up.
We have
We
the
do. We have
whole
everything
thing that shuts it down,
to
sir.
shut this down.
And that's the thing.
And you,
Federal
you
will give us a fair
and
hearing.
Olivia Hudnut, the judges, the DA, the conflicts, the defense attorney, all you guys are committing fraud by not letting us submit it. Why?
I only am involved for one reason, and that is because of Dr. Ashley's report.
Because she's fucking lying.
I mean,
Look,
she's,
sir, I'm letting you know and telling straight out right now, I will sue everyone involved for defamation of character.
I don't.
I have a recording
About
of Ashley Susan doing fraud, and I already filed a police report, just to let you know.
That's.
At the end of the day, fraud is fraud.
I
It's a
don't
crime.
have, a dog in that fight. If that's what you want to do, I'm okay.
Hey,
with
that's my right.
On top of it, though, nobody.
That's my right.
No one even cared to call to verify if it's.
They didn't
true.
even submit it in court. He even said it.
They didn't
They
wanna
only
call
took
it.
Ashley's report
Look,
when it's
hold
fraud.
that. You want me to look at that right
Yeah.
now?
Yeah,
Look,
sure.
So the number up there, right? We showed Olivia Hudnut it, and we explained to her this is the evaluation you so eagerly wanted. So
So-
submit it or file a habeas corpus.
So when did Ashley Susan supposedly file my report?
March 21st, I thought, but I'll pull it back out again.
March 21st? I never seen her on March 21st or spoken to her.
That was when her report was submitted.
So when did
I'll
I
check.
actually spoke? I never
I'll
met
check.
this bitch, so I don't even know what report she's filing. Because number
I
one,
think she wrote it. She spoke.
I
to you on the
never
phone.
met her. No. Number one, I never met her.
Okay, do you want me
Number
to read
two,
this?
yes, sir.
Okay, yeah, I can read this.
Go ahead. I'll shut up. Go ahead.
Stop thinking about what you're saying,
But I'm gonna speak after that.
and I'll show you what I have.
Okay.
So I don't know what is OPM-HS.
Call the doctor. He'll tell you.
That's
I
what
don't
I
know
mean by
either.
verify.
Due to your interest in OPM-HS, I think it's something mental.
He wants me to take therapy because I showed them the
think
crime
that-
that they did to us.
I think that says outpatient mental health services.
Yeah, they want me to take therapy. By law, I have the right to refuse because they're not my doctor, and I have the right to go with my own primary care.
Let me decide.
That's the right law.
Let him finish.
Yeah, yeah.
It says, due to your interest in outpatient mental health services, your prognosis, so that means like your
Anxiety that they
Hold
caused to give me.
on,
They inflicted
hold on.
trauma on me and my
Hold on.
family.
Let me
Yes.
decipher this for you. It's saying your prognosis or your ability to address the symptoms of
Anxiety.
disorder.
I've been getting anxiety.
Is fair.
Yeah,
so there's a good
it's
chance
true.
that you'll be able to get treatment and it'll be able.
I
your
don't need
symptoms will
treatment.
improve.
I got anxiety because
it
they
says
shot
you
my
are
children's
interested.
father.
How does that work? You see the irony in this shit? It's ridiculous. How are you gonna submit the DA's declaration, basically the psychiatrist's declaration, her own report about my mother, yet she never met my mother, and she's submitting it in March 21st? Yeah, my mom submitted hers March 17th. That's obstruction of justice right there, people. I just explained to you something that's a violation of all of our rights. So, Ashley Susan did that. The parallel difference between Mike, he's avoiding us. One thing he did that's very similar to Ashley Susan was make a declaration and an evaluation report without even ever seeing or meeting my father yet. That's where one of the patterns are. And the same mistake Ashley Susan done. That's why Ashley Susan has not been brought up recently. She's gone out of the case. She's been MIA. Ever since I exposed the shit out of her with the videos, the emails, the police report submitted into federal. So, I'm telling you guys, every time they're exposed to a point of the bone, they recluse themselves off the case in a way to avoid accountability majority of the time. But when it's something this too deep, there's no running from it. There's no running from it, especially when I'm exposing all of it. So, Mike, I don't know who you are, sir. I know that my father told you about the YouTube channel, and I hope that you are watching or you have seen a few of these videos, because I'm speaking out to you right now to tell you we are trying to get into contact with you, sir, so you can hear our statement, so my father could be released from all these lies. You guys held him there too long. Too long, no medical treatment, and peer harassment throughout those months. I hope they do know when they're liable for a lawsuit, all those months of psychological torture adds up to a quantity out of your pockets. So I ask you guys this. Give up. You guys lost. The more you keep going, the more you just make it worse for you guys. Because I'm going to keep exposing and exposing, sir. So I'm going to make sure my grandpa gets your number, Mike Rodriguez, and I'll have him call you. And I will also email you as well through my dad's email, Edwige27. You will be having an email upcoming soon. I'll be emailing you today. If not today, tomorrow. So know that everything that you guys do, I'm fully prepared. I'm mentally prepared. I've gotten this far. I've achieved so much. I've achieved so much that's come this far. So I tell you, whatever you throw in my way, I'll make sure I accomplish it and get it out of the way and proceed going forward. So whatever you guys are doing, just know I'm already mentally prepared to follow your next move. I'm right behind you. I'm like somebody in your ear. I'm like a ghost, just inches away from your back. I'm everywhere, and I will be exposing you everywhere. As I stated before, phone numbers, addresses, names, pictures, you name it. I'll get it all. So this is my update for today of what is going on. It's July 24th, 2025, where my dad could have been released. And everybody's well aware, as I stated many times in this YouTube, that my father is eligible for release. Eligible. That means he is not a flight risk. Because if he was a flight risk, he'll be uneligible, right? He wouldn't be eligible for release. I'm just tired. I predicted that in my previous previous video, previous live. When I'm talking about Mike Rodriguez, what is he going to do on the 31st? That he filed a declaration on the 2nd of July 2025, but he never met my dad around that time. Not until July 20th, July 21st, that's when he saw my father for the first time. Then that's when he gave my dad a statement saying that he doesn't think that he's crazy. That you're 45 years old. You don't have any drug abuse, neither do you have any prior history of a mental illness. Therefore, that shit doesn't just come up out of nowhere. And he believed that the family is not crazy, neither does he not believe that the father is not crazy. So my point is, Mike Rodriguez, it took him a whole week. We've been trying to reach out for him. He's been avoiding us. Why? Because he was fixing that declaration. He was appointed by the court to evaluate my dad illegally. But the fact that he didn't do it illegally because he knows the consequences and the repercussions for his actions of doing something very fucking illegal. He's aware that he could lose his license, and he's aware that he could be charged. So Mike Rodriguez, thank you for making the right decision and not a stupid one. So on the July 31st, he submitted a valid declaration to the court. And then Jeff Chambliss out of nowhere comes along asking for a second opinion without any approval from the defendant. No approval from his own client. Not even his client anymore. So what is he in defense for? That's what I want. I want explanations, but clearly there's not going to be explanations because this is clear fraud. This is bogus around the fucking courthouse. This is confusing to the courthouse. That's why they shuffle me and my dad's fucking files together. Literally today, someone put on the internet that I'm standing on the competency trial, that I missed my court date on March 17th, when everyone knows that there's a video up here claiming that I did show up on March 17th. And on top of that, the thing for the competency trial, the thing for your competence, that's for my father. So what the fuck is that underneath my file for? You see what I mean? They're getting away with so much corruption, but not for long. Not when I email the 9th Circuit. I mean, certify mailed them, not email. Certify mailed the 9th Circuit of what's going on and what motion I've submitted. What motion that was received by these individuals, like the judge, the DA, Jeff Chambliss, and my father. That is all in paper right now as we speak, people. That's in all paper right now, and I'm going to be submitting 5 exhibits, from 1 through 5 of exhibit pages of the certified mail tracking numbers, the certified tracking numbers of them receiving it, each and every one of it. And on top of that, I'm going to add the email from Jeff Chambliss, letting them know, do something illegal on the 14th. It's documented already that you're already doing obstruction of justice. So go ahead. Make it harder for yourself. You're making it easier for me every time you do some illegal shit. Every time. So anyways, that email from Jeff Chambliss is going to be brought upon the 9th Circuit. That's going to be a part of the 5th exhibit. It's going to be within 1 through 5. That's what's going to be in there. Along with the motion that I submitted to these parties, this whole motion will be submitted as well to the 9th Circuit, letting them know what the fuck's going on. My paperwork? Yes, sir. I've been doing paperwork. By the way, everybody, I'm speaking to the chat in the live, so later on when I re-upload the video, it's just me looking and reading at the comment. It said, I've been sent here to check your paperwork. Heard you working. Is that true? Sounds like it. All in caps, too. I don't know who that person is. They haven't identified himself. But my point is, yeah, I certified mailed them. This is my proof of service here. Literally me telling you guys the truth and then later uploading the proof. So that's what I wanted to bring up today. I'm letting them know, whatever type of legal shit you do, I'm behind you and I'm in every step and corner that you turn when trying to do something illegal. I'm there. I'm there. So since I brought that up, I also wanted to discuss something with you guys. I don't want to keep you guys here too long. I didn't decide to go live too long. So there's this hearing that happened. The city council, that happened in Ventura County. No, not in Ventura County. Semi Valley. There was a city council that happened on August 4th. And it's crazy. There's a tie within the same corruption. Supposedly there was a kid that was beaten by a group of Caucasian boys and called racial slurs.
My name is Austin Maina, and just hearing about what happened at Regal sounded like something that was 100 years ago, but it happened 3 days ago. I deserve to feel safe in my city. Mike was just a friend of mine. This could have happened to me. And all those thugs, Jonah Collado, Hayden Davey, Maddox Westfall, Nathan Elkins, and Harper Trejos were let to go freely. Had they been black, they might have been shot or arrested instantly. Those boys committed a hate crime. One of the worst ones I've ever witnessed in my life. And they were allowed to go freely. And then you have the police make a statement, a lie, saying they arrested 4 juveniles. They only cited 3, and they were let go freely right away. And they turned themselves in. And they turned themselves in.
And they even threatened this black boy, claiming that he owns the city or he owns this shit, basically this county or whatever.
Gangster shit, yeah. With all the cops, cuz. Yeah. We own this shit. I'm just kidding. Get in the car.
Getting this car.
Joe. No, I know your dad.
The perpetrator's father is a cop.
What's up, city? My name's Drew, and listen, I haven't written anything down. This freestyle type shit. Listen. Hey, this shouldn't even be an argument for real. It really shouldn't, cause we got Jonah Collado's son.
Cuz, please, like your niggas
Hey,
begging for a please, nigga. You's a mark ass nigga, homie. So just let you know, cuz, ever try and threaten me again, nigga, I'll fucking murder you, nigga. You ain't gonna do a damn thing, cuz you and your homie got
Hey, Officer Collado.
Please give him.
Officer Collado. Hey, this your son, and this morning. This is this morning. This fucking morning.
Okay,
I
the audience.
I just want to say,
and no
ain't no
cursing.
skin color.
We don't allow
Ain't no
cursing
skin
here,
color.
please. Thank you.
Ain't no skin color. We're human. Ain't no skin color. Fuck a skin color. Ain't no skin color.
Watch your language,
We're
please.
human. We're human. And that kid he's a kid. And like they saying, if it was a black person, if it was black people jumping on a white person for doing nothing, saying please, I'm saying begging to run away, getting all beat on, what's gonna happen? These people weren't arrested. SVPD lied to the public. These people weren't arrested. They turned themselves in, and you wanna know how I know? Because I got the attacker's information right. They texted me. The attackers texted me. Hayden Davey, Nathan Elkins, Maddox Westfall texting me. They turned themselves in yesterday. They got cited and released. They didn't get arrested like SVPD's saying. Why y'all lying to the public?
Please keep it quiet out there.
Hey, I just want to say, if Simi Valley don't do its justice, then the streets is, and that's when shit gonna get serious, right? Because then you're gonna put us in cuffs. Then we gonna take accountability for all that shit, all that bullshit. So listen, fuck your skin color and do the right thing.
No more cussing, please. Thank you.
I'll be sharing this shit up with you guys later on. I'm showing you guys there's a connection of corruption within that county area. From Semi Valley all the way to Ventura County, Moore Park, Ventura County. This is where I'm exposing this shit right now. So that meeting happened. The kids that beat that black boy, none of them were arrested. None of them hold charges. None of them nothing. Because why? That kid's father is a fucking cop. He's a cop. Now get this. The kid that is sending these death threats to that black boy and the witness, this is where it gets crazy. He's not getting charged. Neither does the fucking district attorney general office from Ventura County. The attorney general from Ventura County doesn't want to pick the case up. Because it's a white boy whose father is a fucking cop. That's literally all it is, people. That's literally all it is. So I'm going to be putting this all up for you guys. Thank you. I appreciate you guys for listening and watching, because it's almost over. It's almost over. And I'm here to let them know that. I already warned them in the past that I will start doing lawsuits. So Jeff Chambliss is an example for more lawsuits to come. So thank you everybody for watching. May you have a blessed day, and I will get to the videos as soon as possible. I had 2 previous lives that I'm supposed to re-upload with proof. So give me some time. It's been tough. I've been busy. But tomorrow and the next day after tomorrow, I should be free. So I'm going to be working on these videos, and we'll have them uploaded somewhat, maybe Monday or Sunday, around those days. But thank you for watching. Have a good day.